Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to add a PDF on Squarespace. Let's get straight into it. First, open the Pages panel from your Squarespace dashboard. You'll see it in the left sidebar menu. Click on Pages and the panel opens showing your main navigation and not linked sections. Now, scroll down to the bottom of that Pages panel where you see Not Linked. Click the plus icon next to Not Linked. A menu pops up with different page type options. Click Link from that menu. The link editor window opens with fields for link title and link. Here's the key step. Click the gear icon on the right side of the link field. This opens the expanded link editor with tabs on the left. Click the File tab in that left sidebar. The File Upload interface appears. Now click Upload File or the Upload icon in the center of the screen. Your file browser opens. Select your PDF. Just keep in mind it needs to be 20 megabytes or smaller. Once you've selected it, the file name appears in a list. Click the checkbox next to your uploaded file name. A checkmark appears showing it's selected. If you want the PDF to open in a new browser tab when someone clicks it, toggle on Open Link in New tab. That setting is just below the file selection area. Click Save in the link editor. The editor closes and you're back to the basic view. You'll now see a URL starting with /s in the link field. That's Squarespace's automatically generated link to your file. You can add a descriptive title in the link title field if you want something like Download Product Catalog. This just helps you identify it later. Click Save one more time to finalize everything. Your link now appears in the Not Linked section of your Pages panel. Now, the file is uploaded, but visitors can't access it yet because it's sitting in Not Linked. To make it accessible, click the gear icon next to the link name in Not Linked to grab the URL, then paste that into a button or text link on any page. Or, if you want the PDF in your navigation menu, just drag the link item from Not Linked into your main navigation. When visitors click the link, the PDF opens in their browser where they can view it or download it. Thanks for watching.